Okay, let's take a look at how to create a method. Now there's different methods you create. This first method you create is where you don't have any object selected, and you could create a new method here. That'd be a generic method that could be used for any object. Now I'm going to create a specific method for some kind of object. Let me choose add objects. And I was looking to see what they had earlier. And so we have, let's say, a basketball. So I dropped basketball on there. I just double clicked it. Okay, so I'm going to click done. And we got that ball there. Now, if I had the ball selected, so if I choose basketball here, this is all the different things you can do. Well, you can create your own method. Maybe I call this roll it forward. Okay, so click OK there. And now we can put some different items here. Maybe I want to turn it. There. Turn it left, quarter of a revolution. And besides turning it left, I want to move it half meter. And maybe also I want to roll it left, quarter of a revolution. And maybe that's let's see, what else is there? That's probably about it. Okay, so I got three things. You can have however many you want. Now, those are in this method. So if I come over here, and I still got my basketball selected. If you select something else, then these here won't be geared toward that. So you'll see that I have my different methods here. At the very top, it says roll it forward. So then if I drag and drop it onto here, I can have it roll it forward. Now, if I want to loop, if I threw a loop in there and loop 5 times, and then drag and drop this within that loop, then what it's going to do is for that particular object, it'll call this bit of code over here, which will turn it left, move it up, and roll it left. Okay, so let's come back here and let's run this. And you can see it's going through the cycle of 5, doing those 3 items. So when the project's talking about the barrel method, they're not talking a specific one that's already defined. Then they're talking about creating your own. If you don't see, if they're referring to a method and you don't see it listed here, I didn't have a barrel on mine, so I'm assuming that's an object that comes with a CD. But if you don't see it here and they're referring to a method, they're talking about creating one like this. Now it's a little harder to create one based upon just the world, like over here. Is what do you do that would apply to everything, or potentially apply to everything? But that's creating a method.